Recording. Good morning, grade fives. Welcome to our lesson for today. Today we are going to have a lesson on English. We are going to have an English lesson. We are going to talk about a topic on listening and speaking. Morning, Takunda. You managed to log in. That's good. I was trying your number, but I'm happy you are here. We are going to have an English lesson. Today we want to talk about words with the same sounds but different meanings. So we will be constructing sentences using these words. These words, when you pronounce them, they have the same sound but different meanings. Is there any two words that come to your mind when I talk about words with same sounds but different meanings? When you say them, they sound the same, but the meanings are different. So I am going to give you words and then we make sentences so that we can differentiate the meanings of these words. I'm going to start with Jude. Yes, Jude, can you give us your two words which have the same sounds but different meanings?
Here.
Yes, here. And can I have the spellings for the first here and the second here so that we can make sentences? Are you there, Jude? Your video is off. Is gone there. Okay, Sean, while we are waiting for you to come back, Sean, give us your
Bed.
words. Sorry?
Bed and bed.
Bed and bed. Can I have the spellings for the first bed and the second bed?
Second one is B-I-R-D.
Oh, the first one is B.
B-E-D.
And then the second one is B-I-R-D. Okay, so give us sentences for each of the two words so that we can see the different meanings. Yes, Sean?
I love cleaning my bed.
Yes, I love sleeping on my bed. So already now I know this bed that you're talking about is for the mattress where you sleep. Then can I have the second sentence for the other bed?
I saw a bird flying.
I saw a bird flying. So that is an animal that Sean is talking about. Thank you, Sean. Yes, TC, can we have your two words as well?
Here and here.
Okay, can I have the spellings for the two? The first here and
H-E-R-E.
And the other one?
H-E-A-R.
H-E-A-R. Thank you, TC. Can I have your sentences to differentiate the meanings of those two, here and here?
I was standing here.
I am standing here. And then the other one, here now is the position of the place where you are.
I can hear you.
I can hear you. This is the one for hearing using your ears. Thank you, TC, for that. Jude is trying to log back in. Jude, are you back? Can you hear me now? Okay, you were about to give us your two words and sentences. Please, can you give us your two words and your two sentences?
I said here.
Or you wanted to say
like
here?
when someone says,
Sorry?
when someone says, go hear what your teacher is saying.
Go and hear for the listening, yes, and the other here.
Come here.
You are here, yes. Thank you. Okay, let me give you my two words that I want you, and I want you to construct sentences using these two words. I have pen, P-E-N. That's my first pen, okay? And then I have another pen, P-A-N. Can I have sentences using these two words? They sound the same, but they mean differently. Yes, Takunda. We haven't heard anything from Takunda.
I like to write with my blue pen.
Yes, which spelling is that pen? Can you spell that pen?
P-E-N.
P-E-N. Thank you, Takunda. Then the other one. Do you want to give us another one, or can we have it from someone else? Can we have someone else giving us? Yes, Takunda, you can give us. It's okay. You can give us the other sentence.
I'm guessing that
Okay,
this
Takunda, it's okay.
this pen is like I was pinning my button. Yes.
So that is the pen. No, that's not the pen for pinning. Thank you for trying though. Can someone please try? Yes, Sean, please try. Thank you for trying. Is good. Yes, that's what we want. Yes.
I cook in my pen.
Yes. So the pen that I'm talking about is for cooking. You know where your mother fries the chickens and everything, or where they fry the eggs. Usually when your mom is frying eggs, she won't use the big pot, the black one where she uses it to cook salsa. She will use the smaller pan. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, my next word, the two words that I have prize, P-R-I-Z-E, prize, P-R-I-Z-E. And then I have price, again, P-R-I-C-E. Can you please give me sentences to differentiate the meanings of these two words?
Teacher?
Anyone? Takunda, yes, you have one. Can you give me a sentence to show the meaning?
I got a prize for passing school.
Okay, which prize is it now? The one with the what? P-R-I?
Z-E.
P-R-I-Z-E. The Z-E is the prize. If you win something, thank you, Takunda, that is correct. Can I have another sentence to differentiate the other one? Yes, TC?
Price. This price is expensive.
Yes, price. This is the price, the one that they write at the store when they say it's $2. Okay, that's the price that we are talking about. Thank you, TC. I have another word for you that I want you. I have send, S-A-N-D, send, S-A-N-D. Then I have send, S-E-N-D. So when you tell me the difference, you tell me send with an A or send with an
Teacher.
E. Okay.
Teacher.
Let's hear from Jude.
Teacher.
Yes, Jude. Yes, Jude.
Teacher.
Send is for like when you want to send a text. Send me a text. Send me the directions of your house.
Send me the directions of your house when you are sending a text message. Is it the one with the A or the one with the E?
The one with the E.
The one with the E. Thank you, Jude. Can I have another sentence for my other send? Yes, TC?
Teacher.
There is sand in my eyes.
There is sand in my eye. This is sand for the type of soil. In agriculture, we say we have three types of soil: sandy soil, loam soil, and clay. That is a type of soil. Thank you for that. Okay, this is my next word, fair and fair. Fair, my first fair is F-A-R-E. F-A-R-E. And my next fair is F-A-I-R. Can I have sentences to differentiate the meanings of these two words?
Teacher, which are the two words?
F-A-R-E and F-A-I-R.
F-A-R-E.
Yes, that's the first fair. The next fair is F-A-I-R.
F-A-I-R.
Yes. Now, can I have sentences to give the meanings? Yes, Takunda?
This is not fair.
This is not fair. Which is the fair?
F-A-R-E.
No, that's not the fair, Takunda.
Fair.
Yes, fair. When you are saying that something that has happened to you, the situation is not equal or you don't agree with it, you say this is not fair. Fair. Can we have the other fair? Takunda, you are the only one. Your hand is up. Yes, Takunda. The other fair.
The other fair. I went to the fair on August.
No, that's not the fair. It's not the fair.
Oh,
You see, the trade fair is that other fair again, the fair. Now I want the fare. Yes, TC? It's good when you are trying. Yes, TC?
Farewell.
Farewell. Yes, that is correct, TC. That is the farewell for when you are saying goodbye. Okay. And also that fare when you say bus fare. Okay. The bus fare, the money that you use when you are paying the bus, that is fare. Thank you for that. Okay. I have my next words. I have burst and best. My first best is BEST. BEST. And my next burst is BURST. Can I have this? BURST. BURST. Yes, Sean?
My best season summer.
My best season is summer. Which spelling for best?
BEST.
BEST, correct. For something that you love, when you say good, better, best, something that you love the most, the best, okay? And then, Takunda, the next best.
If the ozone layer fades away,
Yes.
the earth is gonna burst.
Thank you, Takunda. If the ozone layer fades away, the earth will burst. Okay, thank you, Takunda. I'm here because Takunda is bringing back something we have learned about from another lesson into English lesson. Good, Takunda. All right, now I have west and waste. Okay, my first west is WEST. WEST. Then I have waste, WASTE. Sentences to show meanings, WASTE.
The second word is what?
WASTE. WASTE. Yes, TC, can you give me your sentence and your words?
West.
Oh, Jude has disappeared now. Yes, TC?
They in when you digest your
Yes.
body takes out the waste.
Good.
The worst.
When you digest food, your body takes out the waste. Which waste is that one, TC?
WASTE.
Yes, WASTE. TC is also using science and technology here to give us a sentence in English. Good, TC. When your body, when you digest food, we know that other things are absorbed as minerals, and other foods, they go out as waste, okay? Either as urine or feces, that is waste. Thank you, TC. We understand that one. Yes, Takunda, give us another example of the meaning of the word west.
North, south, west.
Yes, north, south, east, and west. This other west is the west for the direction. Okay, when we are talking about directions, we have the north at the top, the south below, east to the right, and west. We say the sun sets in the west. Yes. Thank you, Takunda, for that. Welcome, Jude. Today, your network seems to be giving you a problem. Can you hear me, Jude? Okay, good,
yes, ma'am.
good. All right. I have two other words, bend and bend. My first bend. is B-A-N-D. That's my band. My next band, B-E-N-D. So the first one is an A, the second one has an E. Both of them sound the same. Can you give me sentences to show their meanings?
Teacher.
Yes, Takunda?
B-E-N-D.
Yes.
Bend. I bent my wire so that I can make my what is it? Car made of wire.
Yes, that is correct. I bend. When you bend something, we bend wires. You know those rulers. You remember the Jude's ruler? Yes, you can bend. You remember Jude's ruler? We remember it from class. It's very elastic. You can bend it. Even some people can
Teacher?
bend metals. You can bend them. Yes, we still remember your ruler,
Teacher?
Jude. Yes, Jude?
Teacher, remember you used to hit us with it in a
Yes,
maths test
that's
when we were
nice
practicing.
ruler that we love. Jude's nice ruler. We remember it. It bends nicely, and we love that ruler. Jude, please don't forget that ruler. We want it back. We need it back. Okay. Can I have the other band for the B-A-N-D? Anyone else? Band. Yes, Takunda. Band.
B-A-N-D. I bent father's car by mistake.
No, that's not the band. That one that you're talking about is B-U-R-N-T. It is from Ben. B-U-R-N. That's not the benning. That one is bent. It has a T. This one is bend. Okay, let's try. Thank you for trying. Yes, people should keep on trying. So that when you see it again, you remember that no, I did try and then I was corrected. All right, Jude, your hand is up. Yes, Jude.
You are banned from this shop.
No, that one, Jude, is banned. B-A-N-N-E-D. Mine is B-A-N-D. Thank you for trying again. That one is banned. Sean, you also want to try?
I got it.
Let's see. Let's try Sean. Maybe Sean is going to get it.
I joined the band.
You joined the band. Can you put something before band so that you specify? I joined the...
Teacher.
I joined the...
Music band.
Well done, Sean. I joined the music band. That is a band for music. You remember at school you have people, someone is playing the piano, someone is playing the guitar, someone is beating the drums, and then there is someone who is singing at the front. That is a band. Someone else is playing the keyboard and the piano. That is what we call a band. If you can remember Uncle Inzui, you remember Uncle Inzui? Yes. He uses these different musical instruments there. Maybe Sean is on the keyboard, TC is on the mic, Jude is on the drums. Yes, I remember Mbomboya was the one who was doing the drums. Yes, my Bongwe, he was on the drums. And all of you come together to make a band. That is my band, B-A-N-D. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, we still have 2 more minutes. All right. Let me give you this one. I have the word back and back. Okay, my first back is B-A-C-K, B-A-C-K. And then the next one is B-A-K-E. Someone I know B-A-K-E. I have B-A-C-K, B-A-K-E. Yes, Sean? Sean? Yours? B-A? People are now frozen now. I don't know what's happening. Yes, Sean, you are back.
I broke my back.
I broke my back. Which back is that one? The spelling?
B-A-C-K.
B-A-C-K. Thank you, Sean. Can I have another one? Yes, TC?
Teacher.
Yes, TC?
Bake. I baked a cake for my mother on Mother's Day.
Thank you, TC. I baked a cake for my mother on Mother's Day. This is the bake for when you are making scones, cakes, you know, those things that you put in the oven, okay? And you have flour mixed in them, sweet, sweet things. This baking that we know about. Yes, I baked a cake for my mother. Okay, all right. And then now I want someone to try this one. I have P-A-T. My pet, I have pet and pet. P-A-T. P-A-T. Pet. And then I have P-E-T. Pet. Sentences to show the meanings. Pet. P-A-T. Yes, Takunda. One. I'll take one from Takunda, then one from Jude. Yes, Takunda.
Teacher, take two from me, teacher.
No, Takunda, one
Take
from
two.
you. Yes, Takunda,
Okay,
give me one
there is
sentence.
P-A-T.
Yes.
I love my pet.
P-E-T.
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 I like
Yes.
P-E.
Yes. I love my pet
P-E.
dog or pet rabbit, pet cat. That is a pet. This is a domestic animal that you keep at home that becomes a friend to you. That's a pet. Now I want the other pet. P-A-T. Yes, Jude. What does that P-A-T
Pet.
mean?
I like to pet my cat.
You like to pet your
Cat.
cat, yes. This is when you pet, okay? When you are petting your cat, yes, that is the pet, P-A-T, yes.
Teacher.
Yes, Takunda.
Teacher, some won't be petting, some will be eating. They'll be like,
No, when you put pressure on the petting, it stops becoming petting, it becomes beating, okay? So when you pet, make sure you don't put too much pressure on it. The pet must be soft and nice, okay? Yes, it must be soft and nice. The moment you put pressure on the pet, it now becomes a beating. It stops becoming a pet.
Especially cats, teacher.
Yes.
If you're not beating them, they scratch you. I have a cat.
Yeah, so you must pet that pet. Okay. Yes, do you understand? Now I use the two pets. Pet that pet. Okay, so make sure you pet it nicely. Okay, let's pet our pet nicely. Okay, let's not beat the pets. Yes, Takunda.
Teacher, my small dog, if you start, my small dog, if you start beating it, it will look at you, and if you keep on doing it,
yes,
it will like at your face.
Yes, you see. So the petting is nice. Okay, so thank you, Takunda, Takudzwa, Jude, and Sean for today's lesson on English. Thank you for participating so well. I'm going to send work that is related to these questions. Can you make sentences to show the meanings?
What time, teacher?
Sorry, we are meeting again at 11:30. Yes, 11:30.
I'm saying what time the homework?
11:30.
The homework.
You send the homework.
Or I'm going to send the homework now. I think I'm going to send it now, then you can start writing it. And then let's meet again at 11:30, okay? For our next lesson.
Yes.
Okay. So bye, guys. See you again later. Bye. Go and
See you.
have fun. Bye. Okay.